So here are the top 5 locations for digital nomads on a budget. All of these have relatively low cost of living, friendly locals, and a good internet connectivity. Number 1. Chiang Mai, located in northern Thailand. Chiang Mai is a popular destination for digital nomads. The city is known for its relaxed lifestyle and beautiful temples. It's also home to a large expat community, which makes it easy for newcomers to find a sense of community and support. The cost of living in Chiang Mai is relatively low, with affordable accommodation, food, and transportation. You can easily find a comfortable apartment for less than $300 a month, and a meal at a local restaurant for less than $2. The city also offers a wide range of co-working spaces, cafes, and internet hubs where you can work comfortably. The city is also known for its vibrant culture, with many festivals and events taking place throughout the year. It is also known for its delicious street food and local markets that offer a wide range of goods at low prices. Additionally, Chiang Mai is surrounded by beautiful mountains, forests, and waterfalls, making it a great destination for outdoor activities. Chiang Mai is also known for its yoga and meditation centers, and the city has a strong focus on health and wellness. This can be a great place to take a break from the hustle and bustle of city life and to take care of your physical and mental health. Thailand has relatively low taxes for foreigners, which can be a big advantage for digital nomads. The country also has a relatively easy process for obtaining a visa, which can make it a great option for those who want to stay in the country for an extended period of time. Number 2. Medellin, located in Colombia. The city is known for its vibrant culture and beautiful weather, with temperatures averaging around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 in Celsius, all year round. The cost of living in Medellin is relatively low as well. You can find a comfortable apartment for less than $400 a month and a meal at a local restaurant for less than $5. There are co-working spaces around the city, cafes, and many other places where you can do your online work comfortably. Medellin is known for its beautiful architecture, especially in the neighborhoods of El Poblado and Laureles. The city is home to many museums, parks, and gardens, and has a lively nightlife scene. It's also a great destination for nature lovers, with many opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities in the surrounding mountains. There's plenty of friendly locals, and you can find a strong sense of community among digital nomads. Medellin is considered as one of the most innovative and modern cities in Latin America. So you will find a lot of young entrepreneurs and startups there. Colombia has relatively low taxes for foreigners, and it's relatively easy to obtain a visa for most people. Number 3. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is a very popular destination for digital nomads. It is known for its beautiful beaches, with many surf spots that attract surfers from all around the world. All around Bali there's a strong wellness scene, with many retreat centers and great healthy food options, making it a great place to take care of your physical and mental health. Bali is filled with co-working spaces, cafes, and internet hubs where you can work comfortably along with other online entrepreneurs and digital nomads. The cost of accommodation is relatively low in some areas, although in places like Canggu, the prices have been skyrocketing recently. But compared to other countries, it's still a great price, but not what it used to be before. Bali is known for its vibrant nightlife, with many bars and clubs, and it has a strong expat community, making it easy for newcomers to find a sense of community and support. Indonesia has relatively low taxes for foreigners, which can be a big advantage for digital nomads. The country also has a relatively easy process for obtaining and maintaining a visa. Number 4. Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. The city is known for its historic architecture, warm weather, and beautiful beaches. The cost of living in Lisbon is relatively low. You can find a comfortable apartment for around $700 a month and a meal at a local restaurant for less than $10. Lisbon is known for its vibrant culture, with many museums, parks, and gardens to explore. The city's historic architecture, including the Belém Tower and Jerónimos Monastery, are UNESCO's World Heritage Sites and are definitely worth visiting. Additionally, Lisbon has a great nightlife scene, with many bars and clubs to choose from. It's considered as one of the most innovative and modern cities in Europe, so you will find a lot of entrepreneurs and startups. As the other locations, Portugal also has low taxes and it's easy to get a visa. Number 5. Mexico City, the capital of Mexico. The city is known for its rich history and diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and cultural offerings. The cost of living in Mexico is around $500 a month for an apartment, and a meal at a local restaurant can go for less than $5. Mexico City is known for its rich cultural heritage and history, with many museums, historical sites, and landmarks to explore. The city's downtown area is also home to many beautiful colonial-style buildings, as well as the famous Zócalo, one of the largest public squares in the world. Additionally, Mexico is also known for its vibrant nightlife scene, with many bars and clubs to choose from. The city is known for its friendly locals and diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and cultural offerings. The city's food scene is also known to be one of the best in the world, with a wide range of traditional and contemporary cuisine options. So, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments and subscribe.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.